Hi students, this is Saheb sir, your chemistry mentor. Today we are going to learning about subatomic particles. Subatomic particles, they are electron, proton and neutron. These are present in atoms. These are present in atom. Okay, what is atom? Atom is a like spherical shape structure. In central part of the atom, we found the one mass containing circular shape substance, that is nucleus. That nucleus contain positive charge. Around the nucleus, we are found some spherical paths. Some spherical paths called as orbits. What is the central part of the atom? Nucleus. What has its charge? Positive charge. And around the nucleus, what we found? The circular paths, they are known as orbits. Orbits. Okay. What is subatomic particles present in atom? Electrons, protons, neutrons. These first one electrons are present in the orbits. Electrons are present in orbits. They are rotating around the nucleus. Remaining two subatomic particles, that is protons and neutrons. Protons, neutrons are present in nucleus. Protons, neutrons are present in nucleus. Okay students, this is the imaginary structure of one atom. Okay, having nucleus. In that nucleus, protons and neutrons are present. That nucleus carries positive charge. On the other hand, around the nucleus there is a circular paths, spherical paths known as orbits. In these orbits, negatively charged particles are rotating. That particles known as electrons. What is the names of E minus? Electron. What is the name of P plus? Proton. What is the N0? Neutron. This is the imaginary structure of atom. Okay students, now we are learning about electron. What is electron? What is the characteristics of electron, proton and neutron? Okay students, first of all we are learning about electron. These are the some fundamentals of atomic structure and chemistry also. Electron. How we show electron in short form? E minus 1. Small e minus 1. Okay. Who found the electron? J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson is the founder of electron. J.J. Thomson is the founder of electron. Okay students, what is the charge of electron? Negatively charged particle. Negatively charged particle. Negatively charged particle. And what is the charge? Charge is minus 1. Charge is minus 1. But accurately minus 1.6022 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. 1.6022 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs is the accurate charge of the electron. But we are showing normally minus 1. What is the mass of the electron? Mass is 0. Mass is 0. There is no mass of electron. But accurately we discussing 9.1094 into 10 to the power of minus 31 moles per kg. Moles per kg, that is equal to 0. We are assuming that 0. Next, what is the ratio between mass and charge? Charge and mass. E by me value is 1.759 into 10 to the power of minus 11 coulomb per kg. Okay, students, where it is present? It is present in orbits. In orbits which have around the nucleus. These are the electrons. Electrons have negatively charged particles found by J.J. Thomson. The negative charge value is -1. The accurate value is minus 1.6022 into 10 to the power of 19 coulombs. Mass is 0. It is present in orbits. It is present in orbits. Okay, students. Next one is second one, proton. Second one is proton. Proton we are showing as P plus or H plus ion. P plus or H plus ion. Actually, hydrogen has one proton, one neutron and one electron. If we lose the one electron, that measures H plus. That H plus ion, as we know, proton. Okay. Who found the proton? Rutherford. Rutherford. By bombarding of nitrogen molecule with alpha particles. When he bombarded the nitrogen atom with alpha particles, he found the proton. Next, what is the charge of proton? Positively charged. Positively charged. Where we find it? In nucleus. Where we find it? In nucleus. Okay, students, we found it in nucleus. What is charge? Positive charge. How much charge? Charge is opposite of electron, that is plus 1. Accurate. Here is minus value, here is plus value. Plus 1.6022 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Okay, students. Next, mass. What is electron mass? Is 0, but here is 1. What is the mass of proton? Is 1. If you want accurate value, 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kgs. Okay, but we commonly said that is 1. And where is it present? In nucleus. And another important point is atomic number. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, they have atomic number. Example, hydrogen has atomic number 1, neon has 10, calcium has 20, zinc has 30. On which basis we said that atomic numbers? According to number of protons present in that atom. Hydrogen atom has 1 proton. Helium atom has 2 protons. Calcium atom has 20 protons. Zinc atom has 30 protons in their nucleus. According to number of the protons, the atomic number is we found. Okay. Atomic number shows as Z is depends on proton present in nucleus. Number of protons present in nucleus. Okay, students, number of protons equal to that atom's atomic number. Okay, students. Next one, third one. What is the third one? Neutron. Is showing as n, small n, 0. Small n, 0. Who found this? Chadwick. Chadwick found the neutron by bombarding of alpha rays with beryllium molecule. Here is nitrogen molecule bombardment of alpha rays. Here is beryllium molecule is bombarded with alpha rays. Okay students, Chadwick found the neutron. Where is it? What is the charge of neutron? Zero chargeable particle. That is neutron. Where is present? In nucleus. Where is present? In nucleus. What is the mass of the neutron? Is also 1, same as proton, but some little bit more than proton, that is 6.84 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Okay students, neutrons are present in nucleus found by Chadwick. There is no positive or negative charge, that is zero charge particles. It is found in nucleus. Mass is 1, accurate value is 1.684 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. It is little bit more than proton's mass. Okay, next, nucleons. What is nucleons? Nucleus means the central part of the atom which having positively charged. Nucleons means the nucleus containing subatomic particles, that is protons. Neutrons are present in nucleus, so they are called nucleons. Protons and neutrons combinedly known as, called as nucleons. Okay students, this is today's topic, subatomic particles and fundamental information, and we are going to next lesson how to find the electron, proton, neutron. We discuss in the next class. Okay students, once I briefly explain, atomic, it is the imaginary atomic structure. In central part there is a nucleus. Around the nucleus we found the some spherical or circular paths known as orbits. That nucleus has positive charge because of protons have positive charge. Along with protons, neutrons also present in nucleus. Both of these we know as nucleons. Okay, in this circular paths of orbits we found the negatively charged particles. Those are called electrons. Electrons are found in out of the nucleus. Okay, we have negative charge found by J.J. Thomson. Negatively charged particle, that is -1, mass is 0. Protons are showing as P+1, H+1, found by Rutherford, positively charged in nucleus. It is present in nucleons. Atomic number depends on number of protons in that atom. Neutron has 0 charge and found by Chadwick. It is also present in nucleus. Mass is equal to or slightly higher to proton's mass, that is 1. Accurate value is 1.684. This is the today topic students. Thank you. Please note down the notes.